Want a refreshing detoxifying juice that support weight loss? This beetroot and watermelon juice is packed with nutrients that boost metabolism, hydrate and keep you feeling full. Ingredients you'll need: 1 small beetroot rich in fiber, antioxidants and help with detoxification. 1.5 cup watermelon chunks, hydrating and low in calories, great for digestion. 1 tablespoon lemon juice for a refreshing tang and vitamin C boost. Optional: 1 tablespoon honey or mint leaves add a flavor. How to make it: peel and chop the beetroot into small chunks, add the beetroot and watermelon chunks to a blender, squeeze the lemon juice and blend until smooth. If you like, add a tablespoon of honey or few mint leaves for extra flavor. Pour into a glass and enjoy immediately. That's it, a nutrient-packed, hydrating juice that helps with weight loss, boosts metabolism and keep you refreshed. Perfect for a morning detox. So, if you like this video, so please hit the like button, comment below which type of video do you want more. Thanks for watching and don't forget to subscribe our channel.